Which animal is a common symbol of strength and courage? Lion. Who invented the light bulb? Thomas Edison. What is the national animal of Australia? Kangaroo. Which planet is known for having a great red spot? Jupiter. Who invented the printing press? Johannes Gutenberg. Which body part connects the head to the body? Neck. Which organ is responsible for cleaning the blood and making urine? Kidney. Which is the only bird that can fly backward? Hummingbird. What is the coldest planet in our solar system? Uranus. Which vegetable is known for being long, orange, and good for the eyes? Carrot. Which is the largest continent by area? Asia. What is the result of 6 multiplied by 8? (48). Which famous structures can be found in Rome, Italy? Colosseum. Which bird is the smallest? Bee hummingbird. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean. How many legs does a spider have? 8. Which planet is fourth from the Sun? Mars. Which continent is home to the penguin? Antarctica. Which country is known for inventing pizza? Italy. Which river runs through London, England? River Thames. What is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. What is the capital city of South Korea? Seoul. How many ribs does an adult human typically have? Twenty-four. Which planet is known for having a prominent tilted axis? Uranus. Which artist is known for cutting off his own ear? Vincent van Gogh. What is the main ingredient in hummus sauce? Chickpeas. What is the square root of 100? Ten. Which country is famous for the Eiffel Tower? France. What type of tree is famous for its bright red and yellow leaves in autumn? Maple tree. Which planet is closest to the sun? Mercury. How many seconds are in 1 minute? Sixty. How many days are in the month of January? "31. What is the softest mineral on Earth? Talc. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? Mercury. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare. How many legs does a millipede have? Many. What is the main ingredient in pesto sauce? Basil. What is the fastest animal in the ocean? Sailfish. How many wings does a butterfly have? 4. What is the main ingredient in chocolate? Cocoa beans. How many cards are in a standard deck without jokers? 52. What is the capital of France? Paris. Who painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel? Michelangelo. Which animal is known for its ability to regenerate its limbs? Starfish. Which gas do plants release into the atmosphere? Oxygen. Which organ helps in filtering old red blood cells? Spleen. Which fruit is known for being a good source of potassium? Banana. How many continents are there in the world? 7. Which body of water is the largest freshwater lake by surface area? Lake Superior. Which city is known as the City of Love? Paris.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.